Roses are red, violets are blue. Stress is bad. Gardening can help you through. Hi guys, I'm Haris, a PhD student in University Technology Malaysia. During this Movement Control Order MCO, why don't we focus on something leisure to do at home? When we talk about hobby, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Reading? Painting? Playing video games? Well, definitely. On the other hand, mine is gardening. People say that gardening is an antique hobby. However, it is untrue. Gardening is evergreen. So today, let me share some facts about gardening. To start with, you don't have to be a gardener or a farmer to plant a flower. All you need is a correct tool, a soil, a starter plant or seed, and definitely water. A green thumb is a bonus. Plant loves water as much as humans do. Fun fact, do you know that carrots and corns are originally inedible? Through centuries of genetic mutations and human engineering, they are now as scrumptious as you can eat them. Secondly, gardening can help to alleviate your stress. According to a study, stress is induced by a hormone called cortisol. And therefore, by looking at your healthy and growing plants, this will surely reduce this cortisol level. Interestingly, it reduces more than just reading a book. Don't you just love looking at those blooming petals, fruits, and berries? Oh, I do. Lastly, gardening helps the earth. Imagine those slimy earthworms. What do? They are the decomposers in the ground. They help to aerate the soils and keep them moist to provide necessary nutrients to the plants. So basically, our role is similar to that earthworms. More plants mean healthier soils and definitely healthier earth. So grab your spade and start digging.